Hi friends, this is Tarun V. Kapoor, business consultant and author. Welcome to Breaking Financial Myths. I'm going to tell you about surprise element. Well, whether you go for buying an insurance policy or any real estate deal or any agreement, at the end, before, if there is a financial loss, if there is a financial debt, a damage, a money loss, that is definitely going to pass through that filter, that window of surprise. And whenever you get the financial loss, before that, you see that little surprise would be there. Whenever you are surprised, that you realize that yes, this is the surprise, and next step is that financial loss. For example, buy a commercial property or residential, they will always tell you, sir, that receipt of this amount will come later. Everything will be written on that receipt. They will not give you receipt till you ask for it 10 times. Later, when you ask for BBA, that is builder buyer agreement, sir, it will come when your 10% amount is completed. Thereafter also, they will take another few months. Finally, when you receive the BBA, then mostly people don't go through the clauses. But when you go through the clauses, oh my God, there are so many surprises. Those surprises are not just surprises, they are the financial ends. And later on, you'll be further surprised when you go to the court. And then you see that you have signed on each and every page with stamp in duplicate on that dotted line on each and every clause that goes against you. But why have you signed that? Because it was not given to you earlier. Because they wanted to surprise you, and that surprise is the financial debt. I was amazed that these things have reached another level where a person was entering a deal with me and he made a very detailed agreement, and there were so many clauses that were against me, and I'm the one who reads everything twice, and then I came to one clause which read that the other party has participated in the drafting of this agreement, so that tomorrow I cannot even say that, sir, this is the one-sided agreement, he brought it to me and in the rush I signed. So these are you buy insurance policy, they will tell you only few little outline that this all will be covered and don't worry, and this will be the discount, and next year onwards this benefit. But when you receive the policy, you won't read it. It is very small font and very detailed. When you go for the claim, then if you don't get the claim, what will you get? You'll get the surprise.